I'm facilitating one person showing their appreciation for another person, and that's a precious thing to be part of. I'm Cathy Hilton. I'm an illustrator and I developed a process for printing on wood. I've always illustrated and done graphic design, and I had a random idea that I wanted to print on wood. So I experimented for some months and I got this really beautiful process. I was travelling in India and I bought a bar of soap, and the packaging on the bar of soap just thrilled me because they've printed a pale colour on a dark paper, and normally that's not possible because the dark paper would show through. And I actually tracked down the factory that had printed it and went and asked if I could learn from them. But it helped me get into this form of printing where the colours are so rich. Screen printing doesn't normally work on wood because the wood doesn't suck the ink in quickly enough so it all bleeds. I tweaked and tweaked and tweaked until I had a process that prints really, really crisply. There's a modern Greek word, maraki. It means the heart and soul that is put into something as it's made. And that's obviously very relevant to any craft, but it's very, very tangible. Just the fact that there's joy in me and delight as I'm seeing it come about is putting this heart and soul into a piece, and I really value that as part of my work. I call myself a colour obsessive. So I have about 100 colours that I use all the time, and I can also match anything exactly. So that makes my work particularly appealing to people who feel very strongly about their interiors and they want something that matches very well in a room. Because I'm happy to do any design on any product in any colour, but it's the conversation with the people to work out what's important for them to give and what is likely to be well received. All my pieces are usable items, so thinking about how an illustration can suit a product, and then if I come up with something I love, I am invariably up through the night trying it out in 20 different colours and just seeing how all the options work. A lot of artists are sea obsessed. It's a very compelling theme. The blue-green part of the colour spectrum I'm definitely obsessed with. That features a lot in my work because it is evocative. The coast, the sea, the intense weather is somehow captured in the work, and people love to take that home with them.